Hello, this is Brian Resney, President of Resney Wealth Management, bringing you a end of the year update about the economy and the investment markets. This will be my last update until 2017, and I really hope all of our listeners of our updates really enjoy these. You know, we had a great year at Resney Wealth Management for our clients. I'm glad to say our clients had great profits. I feel that's going to continue into 2017. Of course, nothing is guaranteed in life, and I do expect some additional volatility in 2017, but I do expect growth in the U.S. economy. You know, I've had a lot of calls from TV and radio listeners over the months. Many of these people still invested in developed Europe, which Europe basically year to date is either negative or flat. I'm glad to say at Resney Wealth Management we avoided that area, and we're going to continue to avoid developed economies like Europe in 2017. We continue to like our small cap and large cap within the U.S. Marketplace, and that is the main percentage in our equity positions through either stock or ETF positions. At the end of the day, growth matters. Under President Trump, with the policies he wants to enact, lesser regulation, lesser taxation for individuals and business, more money back into the economy, I feel we can really grow this economy. I feel the U.S. marketplace will be the strongest place to invest in 2017, followed hopefully by the emerging market economies. Again, stay out of developed areas within Europe until the Eurozone breaks and fractures and falls apart, which I think will be another 2 to 3 years. We're going to wait to pick up those pieces once there's better bargains. But at the end of the day, equity prices have a chance to go up as earnings grow. And remember, they have to sell more, and that's GDP, gross domestic product growth. We like what we see for 2017. Again, expect speed bumps. I remember at the beginning of this year, we had the biggest sell-off in January over the last 25 to 30 years. What did Resney Wealth Management do? We stayed the course, which was their exact right course to stay on, and our clients profited. I can tell you, a lot of the calls that I received from TV and radio listeners, people that were bailing out of the markets in January, basically sold at low points. The market, as of today, at least is at a new high. And again, I feel more volatility will be in store in 2017, but I feel if you're properly invested and you deploy risk management like we do at Resney Wealth Management, not these daily market swings, but the major risk of recession, which we currently do not see in our forecast, at least for the next 6 to 9 months, and that's updated daily as we look at our research, we look for a more prosperous 2017. If you're a client of our firm, please call me with any questions you have, and please call the office so we can schedule January and or February reviews of your portfolio accounts. But please call with any questions immediately if you do have any before year end. If you're not a client, it's time you experienced the Resney Wealth Management difference. Real money management, which includes managing the risk in your portfolio, and none of the conflicts of Wall Street firms, banks, or annuity salespeople. I want to make sure everybody has a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year and a profitable New Year. And again, have a safe and happy holiday season.